for the
There you
automatic
are, right
locks.
there.
The automatic unlock.
Door unlocked.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this is nice. Welcome to our cabin tour. We are on the Princess Majestic, and we are in cabin M418. It's on the 15th deck. It's the marina deck, and we're in a mini suite. So we're gonna show you a little bit outside of the room first, because you don't even need to have a key or use the medallion to get into your room. As you walk up to the keypad here, it will unlock the door. So as you see there, because we're standing in front of the door, it will unlock it. So let's go in. First thing you see when you walk in is just a little walkway. On the back of your door is going to be where your muster station is and how you put your life jackets on. To the left here, there's a full-length mirror. In here is a walk-in closet. When you go in, the light will go on. So there's a lot of hanging space. And if I can get in here, I'll show you there's a full-length closet with shelves. Your safe is here. It's a fairly large safe. It's pretty deep. So if you have a small iPad or a small tablet or even a very small laptop, you could probably fit that in there. So we've locked everything up in the safe already, but a lot of nice shelves. Here is our bathroom, which is very spacious. We do have a tub and shower combination. And this is one of the perks you get with a mini suite. So it's a little bit larger than the regular bathrooms in the other stateroom classes. Beekman is their signature product that they use. Highly recommend. They have really great products. So it's nice to see them. Few shelves, and then down the bottom you do have a shelf for extra storage for toiletries if you don't want to clutter your countertop here. And then coming out here, there is another mirror with a little shelf. Walking in, you have a queen size bed, nightstands on both sides. On the left side in this particular cabin, you do have two USB ports. I don't see USB ports on the other side, so you're limited on that. Behind the wall, or well, on the wall, is the television. So there are actually two televisions in this room, as you'll see in a minute as we come through. Then you have a desk with shelves on the side. And then there are drawers. There's a hair dryer in here. Drawers to store more of your clothes. There's a little shelf on the top if you want to put any makeup or toiletries. Here are your plugs. You have European and American plugs. Looks like there are only two American plugs, one down this end and one on the other end. So keep that in mind when you need to charge things. In here is your cooler, standard cooler, nice comfortable seat, sofa, and I do not believe that this particular sofa pulls out, but some of the mini suites do have sofas that pull out. And then when you go here and you open this up, here's your balcony. Right now we're in the Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. So this is our view right now, but in a few hours it's going to be the open seas. Two chairs and a table, so you could enjoy breakfast out here or lunch. You can have room service deliver it and enjoy your day out on the balcony watching the sunset. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and watch for more videos.
Cat and Mike, the ships that sail on a journey that'll never fail. With the wind in their hair and the sun shining bright, they're dancing on the waves, it feels just right. Sailing together